and welcome to our channel NutureMite, where we provide informative videos regarding health and lifestyle. Please like, share and subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon for important notification and videos.
Ashwagandha extract for good health. Ashwagandha is a medicinal herb serving Ayurveda from ancient time. Ashwagandha extract is beneficial for human health. It boosts brain functioning, reduces stress, depression, and anxiety, and lowers sugar and cholesterol levels as well. Ashwagandha is a Sanskrit word that means smell of the horse. That indicates towards the unique odor and ability to improve strength. Botanical name of ashwagandha is Withenia somnifera. It is small shrub having yellow flowers, and origin of this plant is India and North Africa. It is also known as Indian ginseng and winter cherry. Ashwagandha extract from its roots or leaves treats various health issues. Its root is considered as a drug. The potential of this extract is appreciable and surprising too. Ashwagandha extract may boost male fertility by enhancing testosterone levels, reduces cortisol levels, increases muscle mass and strength, reduces cholesterol and blood sugar level too. In ancient days, dry roots of ashwagandha were used for traditional treatments, but in modern era that is substituted with ashwagandha extract. Its preparation by a specific manner in order to retain all its beneficial compounds to derive efficient health benefits. Ashwagandha extract, an ancient medicinal herb. It belongs to the list of most important herbs in Ayurveda. Specifically acts for natural healing, stress relieving, boosting energy levels, and improving mental health also. Ashwagandha extract in Rasayan serves as a drug for increasing the lifespan. It carries out various beneficial effects throughout the human body. Ashwagandha as a supplement closely acts on stress management, life quality, and well-being. Besides, it also controls blood sugar levels, cholesterol levels, works on testosterone levels in men. In addition, it increases the sperm count. Extract of ashwagandha tonifies and rejuvenates the entire system, especially endocrine and immune system. Ashwagandha extract from field to the market. The ashwagandha requires sandy loam to red soil. There should be well drainage system and also having pH varying from 7.5 to 8.0. It is actually Kharif season crop. That means ashwagandha grows in late rainy season. It is a semi-tropical kind of crop. This plant can tolerate high as well as very low temperature. Cultivation of ashwagandha. The propagation of ashwagandha is usually done by seeds. Healthy seeds are sown in nursery beds by means of broadcasting or any other sowing method. After raising seedlings of the ashwagandha at the proper time, these seedlings are sown in the main field in order to yield better quality and growth as well. Usually it requires 5 kilograms of the seeds per hectare of the land. Here, the land refers to the main field on which the various phases are to be seen by it. Nursery raising is good to be done on the months of June and July. Seed treatment with carbendazim is essential for the plant protection. The plant protection against diseases that are seed-borne. The seeds usually germinate in 5 to 7 days, and after around 35 days, those seedlings are ready for the transplantation in the main field. Preparation of land. We usually adopt plowing and harrowing in order to make the land suitable for crop cultivation, as well as for proper irrigation and root penetration of the plant. In short, we can say that all we are doing is making the field conditions suitable and favorable for the better growth and performance of the ashwagandha plant. Additionally, manure and fertilizer addition to the soil in order to make it more fertile and enhancing the availability of the nutrients. Transplanting mechanism. Generally, after adding manure and fertilizer in the soil, the ashwagandha seedlings are sown in ridges. Ridges are actually result in better crop performance as well as in proper irrigation practices. Plant to plant distance or spacing of 30 cm is essential for healthy growth. 60 by 60 or 45 by 30 cm is preferable at some places. The seed rate of around 10 kg per hectare is well sufficient for the cultivation. The agricultural practices that encourage the root health. These are of more importance as the roots comprises more than half of the beneficial portion of the nutrition and effects in it. In simple words, roots are the most important for medicinal purposes. The ashwagandha extract is now on the way to grow in a better way. Harvesting of the ashwagandha plant. The time at which the leaves of the ashwagandha plant starts drying off and the berries ripe with yellow-red color, this is the indication of maturity of the ashwagandha plant. Flowering and the fruit setting begin from the month of December and the upcoming months. The harvesting is done by digging method so that the ashwagandha root extraction would be safe. Usually, the crop gets ready after 150 to 180 of sowing. There should be sufficient moisture in the soil in order to pull the roots out without any damage. Benefits of ashwagandha extract. First, blood sugar level reduction. Several studies found that it reduces blood sugar levels and increases insulin production. Therefore, the product is very beneficial for diabetic and healthy people too. The reason behind it is its effect on insulin secretion and muscle cells sensitivity. Second, exhibits anti-cancer properties. Ashwagandha extract inhibits the growth of new cancer cells in many ways. A compound, vetaferrin, present in ashwagandha enhances the reactive oxygen, specifies formation in cancer cells, and inhibits their growth. It may treat various kinds of cancer that includes breast cancer, blood cancer, brain cancer, lung cancer, and ovarian type. Third, it reduces cortisol levels. Cortisol is actually nothing but a stress hormone. Adrenal glands are responsible for its secretion. Its secretion is the result of stress and low sugar levels in the human body. In some cases, the cortisol levels may turn chronically elevated, which can further result in high levels of blood sugar also, enhanced fat storage, and deposition in abdomen. Chronically stressed people takes the ashwagandha extract for the treatment. Fourth, treats neurodegenerative diseases. Studies show that ashwagandha has potential to stop, slow, and reverse certain kind of nerve cell damages. These nerve cell damages in body results in Alzheimer or Huntington's kind of serious ailments. Fifth, arthritis. Ashwagandha relieves arthritis patients as it reduces pain and joint swelling symptoms in people, which are directly related to arthritis. Sixth, improves stamina. People who take ashwagandha extract as health supplements are strong. They feel more strength during exercise and physical works. It improves oxygen intake as well as facilitate ease in breathing. Seventh, improves male fertility. Ashwagandha extract also helpful in improving male fertility. Additionally, it increases sperm count and health too. Physical characteristics of the ashwagandha plant. The plant is of perennial kind, branched with height from 0.5 to 1.5 meter. Stem. Its stem is also branched and cylindrical in shape. Root. The age of the ashwagandha root varies with its age. The root is straight with no branch. Seeds. Seeds of the ashwagandha plant look like beans, also with yellow to orange and orange to red color. Conclusion. The ashwagandha is well known and popular plant in Ayurveda. It is serving from ages in medicinal field. It is extremely important as well as the important herb in India. From miscarriage to chronic illnesses, nervous ailments to digestive problems, the ashwagandha extract is treating people from ages. and this time it is exhibiting the same effect in the vast medical field. As we know, herbal things do not impart any side effects and sometimes allergies too. So it is reliable to go for herbal medicines and similar options. And there should be no doubt against the great herb ashwagandha, as it never let us down from the ancient days. And in modern era, it will work the same.
Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Click on the bell icon for important notifications and videos.